Introducing the Thermo Scientific Niton Apollo handheld LIBS analyzer. Powered by laser-induced breakdown spectroscopy, the Niton Apollo is built for the way you work. Specializing in carbon analysis and fueled by a Class 3B laser, the Niton Apollo ensures fast results and low detection limits. Engineered to conquer your toughest industrial environments, the Niton Apollo empowers you to bring your lab to the field. Safely and effortlessly climb up pipelines and maneuver into trenches. With the Niton Apollo, you're no longer weighed down by bulky OES equipment or hefty argon tanks. Featuring a tilting, color touchscreen and vivid application interface, the Niton Apollo helps you achieve more. Micro and macro cameras assist with sample positioning and enhanced record keeping. And when your battery is running low, a Milwaukee hot swap battery keeps you up and running. Best of all, with Wi-Fi enablement on the Niton Apollo, you'll quickly and easily transfer data to your network share. Whether in the field or on the shop floor, the Niton Apollo keeps you ready for the most challenging industrial environments. To learn more, visit us at thermofisher.com/Niton Apollo.